Welcome to Kuyash Integrated Farm Brooding section. We have two sections in this brooding. We have Mogadishu pen brooding and we have Dalit pen brooding. So you can see the environment. And this environment is very restricted. We don't allow anybody to enter anyhow. We have our deep area. Before you come in, you must deep in your legs before come. And this is the brooding we are using the Mogadishu. We are using the Mogadishu pen right now. And we kept about 7,000 beds, as you can see recorded in my board. They are just about 1 week and 1 day now. Good day, everyone. My name is Abdulmumin Yunus. I'm the HOD of Poultry section in Kuyash Integrated Farm. I'm also a leading of Brooding section, as you can see. What is brooding is all about? To have a successful brooding, you must acquire 7 to 8 things. Better notice what is brooding. A brooding refers to the period immediately after hatch, when special care and attention must be given to chicks to ensure their health and survival. In other way, brooding is in poultry farming is the provision of an optimal environment for birds in early part of their life by the application of an external heat source. This is usual from day old until the chicks are able to regulate their body temperature efficiently. So you can see we have some equipment that are necessary, that are compulsory to be in brooding room if we want to have a successful brooding. Number one, you must have your feeder. There's your feeder, that's the rubber tray feeder. You have a heater, as you can see. And you can also have the light. The light is necessary in the daytime, because if you did it in the daytime, like now the temperature is very high. They mostly eat in the night, so you can use a light. And we also have our breeding filter here that we use to keep our food. But we cannot keep started without, if there is a fish, it is to be started. But if there is a cool weather, so we cannot use cafe and warm them. And also, as you can see for the gravel, they started to have tampoline. Some use some newspaper, and we like to use tampoline because we practice this long time ago and give us a good result. That's all those videos for YouTube about the equipment of the breeding, and we also have the symbol that we can cover them, run away over down here, and you can see the way that out is very normal. There's no crack, there's no thing. That's why you see them roaming about and doing other things. And do their activity into breeding and so on. Therefore, to ensure proper growth and better immune system and good feeder cover, brooding in poultry farming is important as it determines if the chicks will live long enough to bring optimal profit to the farmer. We have two types of brooding in poultry farming. We have natural brooding and we have artificial brooding. In this natural brooding, a brooding when provided all the warmth required by the chicks right after hatching up to about 3 or 4 weeks of age. This is usually used on household farms where only a few chicks are raised each year. But in artificial brooding in poultry, on the other hand, is done by means of a temperature control brooder. This type of brooding allows for temperature regulation and for a large number of chicks to be ready in the absence of brooding hens. As you can see now, we are rearing about 7,000 chicks, and they are almost 7 days now.